simplifying this a little bit, right? I have a stat which says that an average Indian has 77% of his or her total assets locked in real estate. Tremendous concentration, right? Now, in comparison, REIT, there is about 650 million square feet of commercial grade A space, which is available in India, out of which about half of it, 300 million square feet, is REIT-able, right, is what the number says. So just from a trends standpoint for the next 10 years, where do you see real estate investment that the average Indian has been doing versus getting into REIT, which can be as simple as buying mutual fund?
So definitely it's a very upcoming thing right now, and if you compare it with the real estate, definitely from the growth perspective, REITs will do well simply because of the lower base that they have right now. Real estate, as you know, globally is like the biggest asset class. It's bigger than equity markets, it's bigger than the debt market and everything. So definitely REITs are going to be one of the, as our economy formalizes, I think REITs will pick up sheerly because of the ease of buying great properties, ease of selling them, ease of even taxation, because once once the document, once you know the tax slabs and the different types of taxes that you are liable to pay from an REIT income, then life becomes easy. I mean, it's well documented. Unlike buying physical real estate where you have to take care of the land and or you have to be sure that this investment is going to be the best investment that you have done. Here you at least get a basket of investments. To give you an example, now Embassy has investments in the Hinjewadi IT Park. It has investment in Bangalore Embassy Park. It has in Noida. It has in BKC. So, I mean, sitting in Pune, I don't think I have any scope or any understanding. A person like me has any understanding about buying any assets outside Pune. And I think Embassy is the classic way of investing, where I don't have to look forward for tenants. It's only a matter of time when people start reporting the benefits of REITs. And I think 10 years down the line, if we watch this video, I'm sure it's going to be quite fulfilling to know that REITs have come a long way.